iconic BMW tuner AC Schnitzer to cease operations after 4 decades, after nearly 40 years of enhancing BMW and Mini vehicles. German tuning house AC Schnitzer will shut down manufacturing operations by the end of 2026. The company, founded in 1987 by Herbert Kohl and Willy Lammert, gained prominence for its high-quality, subtly aggressive aftermarket upgrades, bridging the gap between factory builds and full-scale customization. Models like the ACS3 Sport, based on the E30 M3, and the brutal Z3 V8 Roadster became benchmarks in the tuning world. The core issues: bureaucracy and economic pressures. The decision to cease operations stems from a combination of factors, primarily Germany's stringent vehicle approval and certification procedures. Managing Director Rainer Vogel explains that while competitors elsewhere can bring products to market faster, AC Schnitzer faces lengthy testing and documentation delays that frequently render parts obsolete by the time they're cleared for sale. This bureaucratic bottleneck has become unsustainable. Coupled with these regulatory hurdles are the broader economic challenges plaguing the automotive aftermarket. Rising raw material costs, volatile exchange rates, and dwindling supplier reliability. The automotive industry's shift towards electric vehicles and changing consumer preferences have also contributed to the decline. Vogel points out a critical issue: the lack of enthusiasm among younger generations for the tuning culture that once thrived. What happens next? The Kohl Group, AC Schnitzer's parent company, will refocus on its core business of vehicle and motorcycle sales and service. The AC Schnitzer brand itself is not necessarily dead, however. The company is reportedly in discussions with potential buyers interested in acquiring the name and continuing operations under new ownership. The future form of the brand remains uncertain. For existing customers, parts will continue to be available through the end of 2026, allowing time to purchase remaining inventory, including wheels, exhaust systems, and suspension upgrades. Moreover, the Kohl Group assures ongoing after-sales support and warranty fulfillment even after manufacturing ceases. The end of an era, the closure of AC Schnitzer, marks the end of an era for a tuner that balanced performance with refined aesthetics. While economic realities and shifting consumer tastes have made continued operation untenable, the legacy of its iconic builds will endure. The fate of the AC Schnitzer name will depend on whether a new owner can navigate the challenges that ultimately led to its downfall.